Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to open the recent and the way to do it will depend on the system navigation type you've got set. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon, and if you've got the gestures, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that. And after releasing the finger, here we've got the recents. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by swiping them up, but if you've got a lot of apps opened, I highly recommend to tap on clear all. And as you can see, we just got back to the homepage. We've got this information, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.